Once upon a time, there was a girl who lives with her mom in a hut near the forest. She always wears a Red Riding Hood while going out. One day she went to see her grandmother, and on her way, she met a wolf. The wolf asked, "Where are you going?" She said, "I am going to see my granny, she lives behind that hill." After listening, this wolf got a wicked idea. The wolf ran to Granny's house and swallowed her up. Then he wore Granny's clothes and got into Granny's bed. After some Little Red Riding Hood reached Granny's house. She saw the wolf lying in her Granny's bed. She asked, "Oh Granny, what big eyes you have." The wolf said, "So that I can see you better." She asked, "Granny, what big ears you have." Wolf said, "So that I can hear you better." She asked, "Granny, what big nose you have." Wolf said, "So that I can smell you better." She again asked, "Granny, what big teeth you have." Wolf said, "So that I can eat you better." Then she got scared and started shouting for help. "Help me! Help me!" The woodsman was chopping the trees, heard the scream and ran toward to help her. He ran to the house and saw the wolf attacking the girl. He hit the wolf over the head, and this made the wolf open his mouth and shout. And the granny jumped out. The wolf ran away, and the girl never saw that wolf again. The grandmother and the Red Riding Hood girl had a great lunch and long chat. The Little Red Riding Hood. Moral of the story: be brave. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more similar videos.